I shifted from Gurgaon to this place. I was suffering from circuits. The smog during the winter months in the NCR area is killing for me.
हेलो प्रॉपर्टी ऑन फैमिली, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप सब बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे होंगे। तो आज हमारे साथ मिस्टर अनिल मलिक जी हैं फ्रॉम गुड़गांव। तो ही हैज़ ब्रॉट अ प्रॉपर्टी इन हिमाचल प्रदेश। तो एक छोटा सा आप सभी के लिए एक इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो रहेगा जिसमें सर का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे, किस तरीके से सर ने यहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टी बाय करी, कैसा सर का एक्सपीरियंस है, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली उस चीज़ का आंसर कि क्या एक नॉन हिमाचली हिमाचल प्रदेश में प्रॉपर्टी परचेज कर सकता है। तो सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस सर, आपका प्रीशियस टाइम देने के
My
लिए
pleasure.
रियली अप्रिशिएट। तो सर सबसे पहले हमारे जितने भी पर्सन्स हमें देखते हैं उनके माइंड में कंसर्न रहता है कि हिमाचल प्रदेश में बीइंग अ नॉन हिमाचली क्या एक फ्री होल्ड प्रॉपर्टी परचेज की जा सकती है?
Yes, a person who is non-Himachali cannot buy agricultural land.
यस।
But for a residential or an apartment to a certain size, we can buy and we get a formal approval under section 118.
जी।
It's no big issue, very issue. Most of the builders which are RERA approved
जी।
already have it, and the owners or the prospective buyers can easily get that sanction,
जी।
and they can easily buy a property in Himachal for residential.
ठीक है, तो आई थिंक ये चीज़ बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गई होगी आप सभी को कि बीइंग अ नॉन हिमाचली सर ने भी एक प्रॉपर्टी परचेज की है एंड ही स्टेइंग हियर, एंड सर के यूनिट में ही हम यहाँ इस वीडियो को
Yeah.
शूट कर रहे हैं। सेकेंडली सर, जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आता है कि लोग यहाँ पे जैसे अपना मेन बिजनेस है या जॉब है उसको ड्रॉप करके या फिर उसको छोड़ के हिमाचल प्रदेश आने में थोड़ा हेजिटेट करते हैं। तो क्या सर यहाँ पे सस्टेन किया जा सकता है या फिर क्या एक्सपीरियंस आपको लगा कि उस लोकेशन से यहाँ पे जब आप आते हैं आपको
Yeah.
कैसा फील होता है सर यहाँ पे?
I'll tell you. Post Corona, Corona has taught us a lot of lessons.
जी।
It taught us to live in limited resources. Then living away from pollution is the main.
राइट।
And it is the main point that I shifted from Gurgaon to this place. I was suffering from circuits.
ओके।
It's like autoimmune disease,
जी।
relates to your lungs, where the oxygen level of your lungs drops down with the pollution level. The smog during the winter months in the NCR area is killing for me. Here, AQI is maximum is around 40, 42, and it goes down up till 10, 12. You get to have a very fresh air.
जी।
Lately now, after Corona, people have started giving much more attention to their health issues.
जी बिल्कुल।
And living in Himachal with this atmosphere, have nothing can match this.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
सेहत है तो सब है,
सर, बिल्कुल सर,
समझो.
बिल्कुल सर।
Most of the companies after Corona are opting from work from home. So it wasn't a big issue for the other people to come here, settle here, they can work from here.
बिल्कुल।
This place is well connected with the fast speed internet, every facility is here. And into the hills, I am a hill lover since my childhood.
ओके।
I tell you, I nearly purchased a plot in Mukteshwar.
जी।
I am a civil engineer. I retired as superintending engineer from Haryana government.
जी।
I have a passion for construction. I could have constructed a very good villa there. But then my son, who is a computer engineer but lately is shifted to aviation, is flying with Air India and is a professional golfer.
ओके।
He told me, Papa, you won't stay there for whole year. मैंने कहा, yeah. कहते, who will look after that house in your presence? I told him, I'll build an outhouse. I put a chowkidar. बोले, Papa, locals, how will you make sure that it's being not misused? And then came the maintenance issue. Electricity or water supply is out. It's hard to find a plumber or electrician in a rural or say offbeat places.
बिल्कुल.
Then once we had been to this place, we were here for golfing at Naldera Golf Course. Then my beta told me, beta, son, papa, let's go there and have a look. Why not we purchase a apartment there? You stay there, I'll join you, we'll play golf. I'm also a golfer. I'm from sports school, right? I have a sports background. I was a hockey player. Hockey and golf has very much in common. So that way I came here. I looked at the place. With the first, आया तो मैं सिर्फ देखने था अपनी वाइफ के साथ.
हाँ जी.
But it clicked so much. And उस दिन किस्मत से मानव जी भी यहाँ थे. I met him. We just took 10 minutes to finalize the deal. Okay, done. I am going to stay here. I gave a check. I was staying at Pristine Club, Mahindra. I'm a Club Mahindra member also. So that was how I was here.
एक और सर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. कंपैरेटिवली बहुत सारे लोग कंपेयर करते हैं प्राइसिंग. वंस वी सेट कि 2 CR 3 CR लेट अस से 1.5 CR एक यूनिट का हम प्राइस बोलते हैं. सामने से हमें क्वेश्चन का जवाब मिलता है इतना तो हम गुड़गांव में ले लेंगे. तो सर इसका हमने बहुत लोगों को जवाब दिया है, बट बीइंग अ रेजिडेंट और आप बहुत टाइम से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, तो एक जेन्युइन एडवाइस आप इस क्वेश्चन की क्या देना चाहेंगे लोगों को?
Look, initially I had purchased the apartment in Gurgaon for my renting purpose only.
ठीक है.
I have a very good house in Sector 27. It was giving me good rent.
जी.
My son became like he was angry with me. Papa, rental किस लिए लेना आपको? We are earning good. They are getting good salary. My daughter, who is a doctor, but she's also a pilot.
Okay.
Both are unmarried. They are staying with us. I have a very good farmhouse in Panipat, my parental farmhouse. It's giving me good returns. Then I have a handsome pension, around 1.25 lakhs. Then I have my rentals from my house in Gurgaon, all check payments. Well, do we need rentals?
जी.
मैंने कहा no way. So we didn't brought a place in Gurgaon. Simple. Then the point comes, luxuries comes for a charge.
जी.
You can buy an apartment for 70 lakhs also. You won't have that facilities, the quality of construction, the big area. Simple. If I want, you give you example. You travel by air, you travel by economy class. If you want more luxuries, more comfortable, you travel by business class.
डेफिनेटली.
There is a difference in the charge.
वेरी मच.
You're going to the same destination.
यस.
You are only the same person, but traveling on the same plane, but into two different class.
जी.
That makes it.
ग्रेट. तो आई थिंक बहुत सर ने बिल्कुल ब्रीफ में बहुत बड़ी.
One more point:
जी.
the club here
एग्जैक्टली.
with heated pool, cigar bar, wine bar, the spa, that top notch.
टॉप नॉच. एग्जैक्टली.
It can match any 7-star club. I'll tell you.
राइट.
Then the best part is the Boko Maria area, their restaurant.
रेस्टोरेंट.
Is the heart of this building. Had Boko Maria and club not been here, might be I would not have been here. Then one of the most important point while shifting to the hills from the plains is it is regarding to your medical issues.
यस.
Because old age people have issues, and it was in case of an emergency going down to a hospital via road, it takes lot of time. And here we have a helicopter club, which is the USP of this project and the best for old age people, and I say anyone who has a medical issues. We have a dispensary here for day-to-day routine issues, but in case of a serious emergency, one is evacuated to Fortis Mohali within just 25 minutes. भाई जान है तो जान है.
बिल्कुल
Simple.
बिल्कुल.
I cannot stay in a very, say, jungle, remote area and I fall ill. I'll ultimately die.
Yes.
My family won't be able to shift me to a good hospital because of the shortage of the time. This point of medical aid is the topmost. And not every project, I think, around in Himachal, Uttaranchal, IMC, they have these facilities.
ठीक है. एंड वन मोर थिंग सर, बहुत सारा टाइम आप यहाँ पे स्पेंड करते हैं, बट डू यू फील सेफ जब आप आपके गुड़गांव जाते हैं या फिर आपके फार्म हाउस जो पानीपत में है, तो ऐसा कोई सेफ्टी कंसर्न आपको कभी फील हुआ हिमाचल प्रदेश में ये प्रॉपर्टी से रिलेटेड कि मैं जब नहीं हूँ यहाँ पे कोई थेफ्ट का या फिर कोई और चीज़ का?
I'll tell you. It's ultra safe that way. I'm staying here for around 15 days a month. Once when we move out, our apartment is being cleaned every week. When we come back, we open the door and it's shining like we cleaned it yesterday.
जी.
The access is controlled. Not anybody can enter the apartment or even the premises of this tower.
ट्रू. यस.
So safety is a no issue here. Our cupboards are lying open, everything. What is there, we find it there.
यस.
Not even a single drop of even a cold drink is being used by the staff that comes and clean the house.
यस.
That way they are so well trained. The control of the company is too good over there.
जी. चलिए, सर बहुत डिटेल्ड ये आपका सर ये काइंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू रहा है, या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं कि सर आपने जो आपका प्रीशियस टाइम दिया. एक चीज़ सर, जैसे कि हम मिले, जैसे मैं आपसे मिला, कल हम मिले थे, तो आप थोड़ा सा जानते थे हमें, तो थोड़ा सा.
हाँ, I had been watching your YouTube,
हाँ जी.
so I recognized you. मैंने कहा oh you he is the guy.
तो सर थोड़ा बहुत हमारे बारे में कुछ सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगे? हाउ?
No, your presentations are always based on the facts. No superficial blogging. You tell about the thing what it is in actual.
जी.
Because if you say something else and person from say suppose Delhi travels all the way, he comes and he sees something else, he feels bad and you lose your integrity.
यस.
Simple.
राइट. तो चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपका प्रीशियस टाइम देने के लिए वी रियली अप्रिशिएट, और बहुत अच्छा लगा सर आपसे मिलके.
This is my, वैसे लोग तो कहते हैं this is your holiday home, second home. No, it's my first home. I and my wife enjoy it more than our Gurgaon home.
ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट.
We furnished it like, well, everything is there. We get everything what we ask from the company
जी.
within no time. Be it any maintenance issue, be it any supplies, anything. They are too courteous, they are too good.
चलिए, तो होपफुली बीइंग अ नॉन हिमाचली, अगर आप इस प्रॉपर्टी को देख रहे हैं या फिर इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, मेनली इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, तो बहुत सारे फैक्ट्स सर ने बहुत थॉरली आप सभी के क्लियर करे हैं. स्टिल अगर कोई भी आप चीज़ हमारे से और डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं हमारे नंबर पे. तो मिलते हैं हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कनेक्टिंग.